Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Imam Fidaus bin Muhammad Kamal from class 2E, and today I am going to answer the question number 1. So based on the graph equation of elasticity, the elasticity of good X is 0.5, while the elasticity of good Y is 1.2. Meanwhile, based on the graph of good X, the gap of the change in the quantity is decreasing a little, while the graph of good Y show that the change in the quantity is decreasing a lot. This shows that the good X is elastic. Elastic happens when the price change will bring less than a change in quantity demand. For example, necessary goods. Another end, good Y is elastic. Elastic happens when a price change will bring more changes amount demand. For example, luxury goods. So in conclusion, Mr. Ali need to increase price of goods X, meanwhile at the same time decreasing the price of good Y. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Fahim bin Haizian. Today I'm going to present the next case, which is the income elasticity for demand. The first diagram is diagram 1.0, show the inelastic demand curve for fragile furniture product. The next point is the percentage change in price is greater than the percentage change in quantity. After the booming economy, the consumer income will increase about 6%. So this will affect the fragile furniture product, which is the elasticity demand for fragile furniture product will be decreased. This is because fragile furniture is low quality goods. In addition, increased income have impact on lifestyle consumer, which is they will need to have a good quality goods. The next diagram is shown diagram 2.0, elastic demand curve for high furniture product. The next point is the percentage change in quantity is greater than change in percentage change in price. After the same booming economy that increased 6% of consumer income, this will affect the high furniture product, which is income increase will cause the elasticity of demand for high-end furniture product is increased. This is because it has the good quality of the product. Next is, it is clear that consumer will be attracted to have high quality good to live more comfortable if their income is increased. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Amni Balkis Afandi. I am student from Diploma in Integrated Logistic Management. I am from DLM2E. My ID number is PDL 22078081. Let's continue to the presentation. I'm going to present about case 3. It is about cross elasticity of demand. Based on the information, table A and B describe the relationship between the two goods. So right now, I'm going to explain about the answer. The cross elasticity of demand is demonstrated in table A to be positive when a rise in the price of coffees results in an increase in the demand for tea. It shows that two goods' cross elasticity of demand is positive if they may be replaced for one another. In other words, if a percentage increase in the price of an item results in a percentage increase in the quantity demands of a related goods, the cross elasticity of demand is positive. Products that are substitutes for one another are rivals or competitors. Famous example of alternative product are tea and coffee. The demand for tea will rise if the price of tea stays the same while the price of coffee stays the same. The case with positive cross-demand elasticity is shown in the diagram below. So right now, I'm going to explain about Table B answer. Table B display zero cross elasticity when a change in the price of an iPhone has no impact on the demand for tea. The cross elasticity of demand is said to be zero. The cross elasticity of demand is zero if two items like tea and iPhone are unrelated to another one. The demand for iPhone said it's unlikely to be affected by a change in the iPhone's price. The scenario with zero price elasticity of demand is depicted in the following graph. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Miza Hairina binti Marazali. Supply curve being perfectly inelastic, it means the elastic supply is equal zero. This situation means firm only can supply fixed quantity, thus cannot increase or decrease quantity. For the next question is, the supply curve being inelastic, it means inelastic supply is less than 1. It means the supply not respond to the price. For example, needs goods such as rice and medicine. For the question C is the supply curve being elastic. It means the elastic supply is more than 1. It is mean the supply respond to the price. For example, wants product such as luxury house or iPhone.